Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use TikTok Creator Reward Program. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and understand what TikTok Creator Reward Program is. So TikTok Creator Reward Program pays eligible creators for their high quality original content based on performance. The first thing you want to do is understand how it works. The first step is going to be creating content. You'll need to get views, performance is tracked, you'll earn rewards, and then you'll get paid. So there are a couple of eligibility requirements you need to have in order to get into the TikTok Creator Reward Program. The first is that you need to be 18 or older, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 video views in the last 30 days, post high quality original content, comply with TikTok's community guidelines and services. Now, how can you go ahead and join it? The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and open your profile and then head into your creator tools. This is where you'll find an option called Creator Program or Rewards Program. Simply go ahead and click on join, and that is about it. Keep in mind there are a couple of things that affect your earning. So qualified views affect your earning. So more valid views from real people means more earning. Longer watch time can increase rewards. Like, comment, and share can help your content grow. Also, original, valuable, and guideline-friendly content performs better. And finally, views from certain regions may have higher value. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.